Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I use in this video will be listed down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video. Let's get straight into it. I like to start off with my brows because that's what takes the longest in my videos. And what I do is just take my spoolie and brush the brows the direction that my hair grows. And then I will trace around my brows, and I don't overly trace my brows because I don't want them to be too bold. And then I fill in whatever needs to be filled in. Go back in with my spoolie just to make sure that the product is blended out evenly. And if you would like a more detailed brow tutorial, I will have that linked. And don't worry about trying to get your brows as perfect right away, because you will go in with some concealer to help clean up anything that needs to be cleaned along the way. Now I'm going in with some concealer, making sure that I really focus and taking my time with this, because you don't want to mess up and have to redo your whole brows all over again. And I'm just taking a little bit of concealer at a time and lightly outlining my brows, making sure that everything is nice and crisp, and then blending that concealer downward towards my eyelids. And I like to make sure that my eyelids are covered, because this is also what I like to use for a primer. And I like to go in with this brush to help dry that product down, as well as spread it out evenly, and making sure that I don't go over my brows, but get as close as I possibly can to my brows by just tapping that product in. And now I'm trying to figure out which eyeshadow palette to use. And I'm going to go in with this Rude City of Neon Lights palette. This is my first time using this palette, so let's see how everything goes. I'm going in with that black, and again, everything will be listed down below. And I'm applying it basically the way that I would if I was applying eyeliner, and then blending it out. And I made sure to flip my brush over to fade that black the further up I go, so I didn't have to really use a transition color. And in that outer corner, I'm just going to add just a little bit more black and then blend that out even further. And I'm still doing the same step, flipping that brush over, making sure that that black fades out towards the top. If you want, you can go in with a brown for a transition color. Now I'm going in with the second color, and I decided to go in with this blue color. And the reason why I made that face was because they have two different blues. One has like a little shimmered glitter, and I was like, okay, I can mix them both and come up with the perfect blue. And I'm just going to continue to blend that out and blend it up so everything fades together. When doing your makeup, blending is your best friend. I can't stress that enough. Now I'm going in with this white shade, and by my surprise, this is probably the best white eyeshadow I have ever used. It's easy to work with, easy to blend, as well as the other two shades that I used as well. And I'm just applying that to the inner corner, making sure that I apply enough that it shows through. And then I'm just taking a totally clean brush and blending everything together. You don't want to use a brush you already used because it will just spread everything together. Now I'm just showing you the colors that I use for this look. Again, everything will be listed down below. And I did the other eye off camera so it don't take too long. And now I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did making it. And I will see you in the next one. Again, everything that I use is listed down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video.